Today's lecture brings together insights from various spiritual, religious, and humanistic traditions to offer a comprehensive view of resilience. We will explore the common threads and unique contributions of these traditions, showcasing the rich tapestry of approaches to resilience. This integration provides a holistic framework for personal and societal resilience building efforts. First, we remember Christianity's emphasis on compassion. Christianity teaches the importance of compassion, forgiveness, and love for oneself and others. This emphasis on empathy and understanding fosters resilience by encouraging individuals to approach challenges with grace and humanity. A wonderful example is the parable of the Good Samaritan. This story illustrates the Christian value of compassion, showing that kindness and empathy should extend beyond social and cultural boundaries. Next, we contemplate Islam's focus on community, or ummah. In Islam, the concept of ummah, or community, is central. It emphasizes collective responsibility, solidarity, and support, fostering resilience by creating a strong network of relationships that can provide assistance during times of need. For example, one of the pillars of faith is zakat, or community support. The practice of zakat, or almsgiving, is one of the 5 fundamental pillars of Islam that encourages support for those in need within the community and which reflects the value of social responsibility. And next, Judaism's value on wisdom and learning. Judaism places a high value on wisdom, learning, and ethical living. This emphasis on intellectual and moral growth fosters resilience by encouraging individuals to seek understanding and cultivate virtues. This is accomplished via the study of the Torah, or the first 5 books of the Hebrew Bible. Engaging with the Torah and other Jewish texts encourages reflection, ethical living, and a deep connection to tradition and community. Now, within Buddhism, we encounter mindfulness practices, as we've discussed before. Buddhism teaches mindfulness and the acceptance of impermanence. These practices foster resilience by encouraging a centered and balanced approach to life's challenges. Here we are reminded of meditation and mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness through meditation helps individuals cultivate awareness and acceptance, key components of resilience. Lastly, let's consider indigenous religions' connections with the earth. Many indigenous traditions emphasize a deep connection with the earth and the natural world. This connection fosters resilience by grounding individuals in a sense of place and interconnectedness. For example, we would be remiss if we did not acknowledge Native American Earth Center rituals. These rituals often honor the natural world, reflecting a holistic understanding of humanity's place within the larger ecosystem. Certainly, one example that we can consider is the Lakota Sioux Sun Dance, which is a significant Earth Center ritual in Native American tradition. Participants connect with the earth through dance, fasting, and meditation over several days. This sacred ceremony honors the natural world and fosters a sense of interconnectedness, reflecting the Lakota Sioux's understanding of humanity's place within the larger ecosystem. What might be an approach for integrating these practices in our own personal lives? Well, first, cultivate compassion and empathy. Drawing from Christianity's teachings, practice compassion and empathy in your daily interactions. This approach fosters resilience by building stronger relationships and encouraging a humane response to adversity. Second, engage with community and social responsibility. Inspired by Islam's focus on community, actively engage with the community and support those in need. This connection fosters resilience by creating a network of support and shared responsibility. Third, practice mindfulness and connection with nature. Integrating insights from Buddhism and indigenous traditions, cultivate mindfulness practices like meditation or spending time in nature. This connection fosters resilience by encouraging balance, awareness, and a sense of interconnectedness. In conclusion, the integration of spiritual, religious, and humanistic approaches offers a rich and multifaceted view of resilience. By exploring traditions such as Christianity's emphasis on compassion, Islam's focus on community, Judaism's value on wisdom and learning, Buddhism's mindfulness practices, and indigenous religions' connections with the earth, we can uncover a holistic framework for resilience building. These diverse approaches remind us that resilience is not a one-size-fits-all concept, but a complex interplay of values, practices, and cultural insights. By applying these lessons to our lives, we can build personal and societal resilience that honors the complexity and richness of the human experience. Thank you.